Hi, so today I'm going to share with you how you can buy the Uland cryptocurrency token, and I'm also going to share with you how you can buy land on Uland. And I'm going to share with you this and some more information. Follow along and let me know if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help you. So I'm going to share with you step by step how you can do this. Just keep following along, and the part that I'm going to share with you first is how to buy the actual Uland token, which you need the Uland token first before you can buy the land. Now personally, I'm going to be mainly buying the Uland token to hold for long term, because if you look at the market cap, it's only at 14 million at the moment. I truly believe this could go to 100 million plus. So I'm going to share with you how you can do this step by step. First step, you will need a Metamask. So what you want to do is come over to Google and just Google Metamask wallet. Metamask wallet. And it should be the very top one. So it should be metamask.io. I will leave a link in the description for everything. I will leave a link in the description for the Uland, and I'll leave a link in the description for everything else that I used in this video. So the Metamask link is right here. Click on that. I already have it downloaded, but you just click on the download button here. Click on the device that you wish to download it on. I'm on Chrome, so just install it on the Chrome, and then it should take you to the Chrome store, and this is the only link that you should trust. I already have it got it added. As you see, you would just click the add button here, the download button at the top right here where I'm hovering. Right now it says remove from Chrome, but for you it will say download. So download that. Then the next step is you will have Metamask pop up on the right here. As you can see right here, it will pop up on the right. You might not be able to see it in this panel here. So what you want to do, if you can't see it there, click this little puzzle symbol here, extension. Click on that, wait for it to pop up, and then just scroll down until you can see this little orange fox. You can pin it, which will pin it to the board up here. If you haven't got too many Chrome tools up here, you will already have it most likely up the top here. You just want to click on it, and now you have Metamask. And yours will look a bit different to mine. I already have a lot added, networks added, but you will be on the Ethereum mainnet, and that will be the only mainnet you have. So you first have to set up your Metamask wallet, which is following a step-by-step guide. So you just have to follow the step-by-step creating your account. So once you have it downloaded, you will be prompted with this. Click on create a wallet or import a wallet. So you want to create a wallet. You will then get asked to set a password. So once you have set your password, you'll need to have the secret backup phase key. These are more important than anything else. This is like your bank account PIN. This is how they can get into your Metamask wallet. You will save these seed phases somewhere secure. So download them and save them, write them down somewhere and just save them. Make sure you save them, and then it will ask you to confirm your secret key phases next step after you've done that. So you will just retype the ones that you just saved in the order that they mention, and then you will have your wallet set up. So as you can see, this is what your wallet will look like. You will only have one account and you will be on Ethereum mainnet, just like mine right here. So you will have it just like this. Yours won't have anything up here. You won't have any numbers or anything because you haven't deposited anything in there yet. But this is not the network that you need to be on to buy Uland. So the next step is you will need to add Binance Smart Chain network to your Metamask wallet. And I'll share with you how you can do this. Alright, so now the next step is we need to go and add Binance to the Metamask wallet. When you're on here, you need to go back to your Metamask wallet. So click on your Metamask wallet, and now you'll see a little drop down tab here. This little drop down arrow here, this little arrow. Click on that, and I want you to go down to where it says add network. So just click on add network. So now it opened up another whole tab for you. So now I'm going to move this back to here. Go back to the page we were just on. You want to add this one here. Ignore this one. Ignore that. Add this one only. So now what you do is just copy and paste this information into the correct areas. So it says network name. So paste the network name. Copy this, the new RPC URL. So read this and then go to this page here. New RPC URL. Paste it in there. Chain ID 56. Go back to the same page again. Paste that in there. Currency symbol. You can put this in whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. But it's BNB. Just so you know. It's there for you just to know the optional part, the currency symbol. But we want to know what it is, so put BNB in there. Block Explorer URL. So the Block Explorer URL, once again, copy this, paste it in there. I'm going to remove that space because I had a space there, but all you would do is click save. Because I've already got it added, I can't actually click save on it. So just click on save on it and then you're finished. Now you will have Binance Smart Chain. So when you go You can exit this now once you've saved it. Now when you go to your Metamask wallet, you should be able to switch to the Binance Smart Chain. So click the arrow again, this arrow, and you should go down until you find Smart Chain. You will most likely only have Ethereum and Smart Chain. So just click on the Smart Chain that you just added. So it will be called this here. And now you will be on the Binance Smart Chain network. Now I have a few more coins in here, but you will only have BNB in here. That will be the only cryptocurrency you got on here. Now the reason for that is because you got to add coins. That's why sometimes they don't appear when people buy them on PancakeSwap, because they don't add them. So what you need to do is, I'll just share with you how you can add Uland to your Metamask wallet. So what you do is go over to CoinGecko and type in the token. So it's Uland. We're already on it, but that's what you would do. You would come to the home page CoinGecko and search up Uland. You click on that and it will load up the Uland page. So what you do now is take this contract address. You can also just directly add it to Metamask by clicking this button here, or pop up on the side here. So I'll show you how this works. So you click on it, it'll pop up a window and you would just add token. But I'm going to show how you can do this manually as well. So if you just have the contract address, come to Metamask again, the drop down tab, go down to the bottom, and where you don't see your tokens, import tokens. You import them right here. So now you just copy and paste the address and everything else will normally pop up for you. And then just click add token, and it recognizes that I've already purchased Uland tokens. So just as you can see, I have 20,000 Uland. Now if you go down, you should be able to see it right there, as you can see. Now like I mentioned, yours will probably only be up top here somewhere. You will have it like around here somewhere. It simply is to add Uland token to your Metamask wallet and set up your wallet. Now next step is we need to buy BNB. Alright, so now that you need to buy BNB, so you can do this on any exchange. It doesn't really matter, whatever way you can find to buy BNB. So I personally will do this on either Binance Smart Chain or SwiftX. They're both Australian friendly exchanges and you can use Binance worldwide. Link will be in the description for both of these. So once you come onto Binance, you need to make sure you have your account verified. So your account verification will be on this little tab here. So you just sign up to your account on the home page and just make sure you have your verification set up. Then you can buy some cryptocurrency. I'm buying in Australian dollars, but you can buy it into US dollars as well. So what you do here is you would click on whatever option here. Now for this reason only, I will pay with credit card, debit card to make it quick, but this is how easy it is. So you just click on this here. You now would click the currency that you would like to purchase with. You can change this currency like I mentioned. As you can see, there's a bunch here. But because I'm from Australia, I'm going to use Australian dollars. So the minimum amount is 25 you can purchase with. And I'm going to type in BNB. Now this is how much you will receive for the $25 and this is based on the market. So click continue, and now you would make sure you have your MasterCard, your Visa card added here. You will have to add your Visa card here. Click continue again. Now you just put in your security information. So once you've confirmed the payment and processed it, you now will just have a processing tab here and it will let you know when you have purchased your BNB. So as you can see, your BNB is purchased. I want to share with you how you can get to your wallet without just going to here. So what you do is come to this drop down tab on the top right and click on Fiat and Spot. Click on that and now you'll be on this page here. This is where your cryptocurrencies will be when you buy them. So as you can see my cryptocurrencies right here. What you do now is click on the withdraw button. So click on withdraw. Now this is where you go back to your Metamask wallet and you click on this little address here. This is your address to send BNB. Only BNB. So coins that are on the Binance Smart Chain network. So copy that address and put it in here. So once again, make sure you're on the correct network. Make sure you have switched to Smart Chain like I am. And as you can see, it says right here, Binance Smart Chain BEP20. That's all you can send to this wallet. Otherwise, you might lose your cryptocurrency. Click on Max and hit withdraw. Then confirm and then just hit continue. You have security information set up in your Binance Smart Chain that you will have to verify here so you can do the withdrawal. It's just a security thing. Alright, so as you see, I have processed it. It could take up to 12 hours, but most likely it would only be like a minute or two max. And then you should have your BNB in your account. Alright, so the next step is you need to come over to PancakeSwap. So what you will need to do is connect your wallet. If this is your first time, I'll just show you how to do this. If this is your first time, once again, you have to make sure you're on PancakeSwap.finance. I'll leave a link in the description. Then you would click connect to wallet. You connect your Metamask wallet, and then it should show on top right here your wallet information here. Now you want to click on trade and click on exchange. Now you want to go back over to CoinGecko again. Grab the same thing that we got before, the contract address. Take that and click on here, this little symbol here. Make sure you switch this. You can switch these around if you like. So I'm just switching it up to here because I'm buying Uland with BNB. So there it is right there. As you can see, I've already got it added, but it'll appear for you and you just accept it. So click on that. And now you can click on how much you wish to deposit worth of BNB into Uland. So you can type whatever amount you want, or you can type max. It doesn't really matter. Then click swap, accept the price update. Sometimes the prices can update because it's going up and down. Click confirm swap, and then a window on the top right should appear. You just need to click accept on this window right here, confirm, and then your transaction should be processed. Now if you have any issues at all, errors that come up, normally it means that you need to increase the liquidity, the slippage tolerance, the slippage tolerance. So you need to click that little symbol right there and just type in 14, 10, it doesn't really matter. Put in the slippage tolerance a little bit higher if you're having any errors, and then just exit. It will automatically save. As you can see, it's already processed. I should have it in my account. You will see a window pop up on the top right. So once you have Uland in your wallet, now you can go ahead and purchase land. So right now what you do is come to the home page, click on buy land now. Now I can't actually buy land at this moment because I haven't got enough, but I would intend to buy at least one piece of land because I think there is potential in this project. So as you can see here, you should be on tier 1 as you start off, but you want to switch to tier 2 because right now tier 1 is way too expensive, as I'm aware, because it's extremely extremely expensive. So right here, as you can see here, you can see the country and how much it's going for, 100,000 Uland. So if I look at how much Uland I have right now, let's take a look. If I go down to my Uland here, I have 21,000. So I still need 80,000 Uland to actually purchase this land right here. As you can see, all the blue dots on the map, all the blue dots that you see are the land that hasn't been purchased by players. All the other land right here, as I'm aware, has either been purchased or hasn't been released yet. So right here it says locked, which means it's been locked to the public. But this land hasn't been purchased by anyone, and this land is up for grab. So this one cost 2 BNB in the value of Uland, but you will have to purchase with Uland token. So click on it. You would click on it and it would say it's either been owned or it's been purchased. So it must have just been purchased right then. So you click on this once again. So it must have been just purchased. But if you do purchase a land, you click on this and it says for sale. You would click buy now. That was just purchased as we were talking about it. But this is for sale right now. You would click on it, the blue land, and click buy now, and then you would have a window pop up just like you would when you're buying it. You confirm the permission to buy this land, so transaction fee. You would wait for it to be processed and then you should be able to purchase it. And that's how simple it is to actually purchase the land. So now you will actually have to pay the BNB price for Uland. So click confirm. Once again, purchasing, please wait. And it said error because I don't have enough Uland to actually purchase this land, so it has come up with an error for me. But if you have enough, it is probably worth it to buy at least one piece of land, and most likely I will try to buy one piece of land on Uland, and the link will be in the description if you do want to purchase this land. But that's how simple it is. You look for the blue lands here and make sure you can only purchase with Uland. You cannot purchase with any other currency. And as you can see when other lands that'll be public will be launched. So there is still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more lands to be purchased to be up for sale. As you can see, most of these have already been purchased and these have been already sold out. So the first wave, second wave, third wave. So we're on fourth wave right now. And you can learn more information about this project. I will be going into more detail about the project itself in another video very soon. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the description below. The link will be in the description below for this website and everything else I used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.